Find a flat surface to place the cutter body on. A table is recommended. Remove the end caps. Be careful with the cutter hubs, which are stored inside the end caps. Remove the cutter from its packaging and place it on the flat table. The parts for the stand are in a separate box beneath the cutter body. The accessories are in a box that is glued to the side. The box containing the stand also includes the basket. Take the parts for the stand out of the box and place the basket aside for now. Find the set of screws included in the shipping box. Then find the Allen wrench and the screwdriver. Take two M5 18mm screws. Put a washer on each screw and insert the screws at the bottom left and right of the horizontal support panel, giving each screw 7 or 8 turns. Hook the horizontal panel in the slots in the two metal legs. Put washers on two M5 18mm screws. Then insert the screws, with the washers, just below the two screws that are in the slots on each metal leg. Tighten the screws firmly. Push the 4 wheels into the stand's feet. Next, mount the feet on the legs of the stand. Use a mounting plate, and 4 M5 60mm screws with washers. Use the 4mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws into the bottom of the leg. Then mount the other foot on the other leg, using the other mounting plate, the other 4 M5 60mm screws with washers, and the 4mm Allen wrench. Turn the stand upright. Place the stand close to the cutter and lock the wheels. Locate the 2 pins at the top of each leg of the stand. These will help you to correctly position the cutter on the stand. Place the cutter on the stand, and make sure the cutter is correctly positioned over the pins. Attach the cutter to the stand using 2 M5 10mm screws on each side. Use the 3mm wrench to screw the screws in place. Take the power cord and the LAN or USB cable and mark them at between 26 and 28 centimeters from the end. Optional, attach the cables on the right side of the stand using 3 cable ties. The top cable tie should be positioned as marked on the stand. Guide the cables through the slots in the side cover. Then attach the side cover using 4 PT5 10mm screws and the TX20 tool. Insert the cover caps into the slots of the other side cover before attaching it. Insert the cover into the other side of the stand. Use the 4 PT5 10mm screws and the TX20 tool and tighten the screws. Mount the left and right brackets for the roll support using 4 M5 10mm screws on each side. Use the 3mm tool to tighten the screws. Rotate the plate up and down as needed to line up the screw holes. Slide the 2 guide rollers in the brake over 1 roll bar. Make sure the parts are lined up correctly. Put this roll bar, and the other roll bar, into the roll bar support brackets. Make sure the brake is correctly positioned. Gather the parts for the basket assembly. Unroll the basket and put it on the floor. Insert the long straight tube through the middle loop of the basket. Insert tube A through the loop and across the basket at both ends. Place the basket on the stand. Insert the 4 straight tubes into the legs. To do this, make sure you rotate each tube 90 degrees in order to fit them in the holes. Then, place tube A into each straight tube. Repeat this process on both sides. Remove the blue tapes from the right side. Push down the back lever to release the pinch wheels. Remove the pinch wheels protection. Remove the blade foam. Remove the remaining blue tapes from the left side.